In this video, I'll be sharing the fatal flaw that we found and why the cost of due diligence is the cheapest insurance that you can buy. We recently advised the client to walk away from a 72 million naira property deal, and it was the best decision we could have made despite losing out on the contract fee that we could have earned for drafting the contract. When you engage Charis Legal Practice, you are hiring an African Excellence Award system forged over 20 years combined experience. And my background as a real estate lawyer involved in litigation cases for the first 7 years of my practice taught me a lot about being proactive, as I discovered that a lot of cases in court could have been prevented if parties had gotten legal advice on time. And that's why at Charis Legal Practice we are proactive, not reactive. Now let me tell you about the 72 million naira win. An investor in diaspora had found this property, beautiful location, nice scenery. It was sold by a company, and the seller presented some documents which included a certificate of occupancy, deed of assignment, and a survey plan. Our clients had engaged us just to be double sure, because of course he was not ready to gamble with his capital. Here is the shocker. Despite all the official documents that I just listed, we found out that the seller had absolutely no authority to sell. There was no legal authority for the seller to sell that property. They did not legally own that property, and in law you cannot give what you don't have. I can't give you ownership of what does not belong to me legally. An ordinary search would have confirmed that there was a CO on the property, but our rigorous process revealed the fatal disconnect. If a client had bought that property, the real legal owner will show up demanding for the property, or if they wanted, demanding for a fresh payment. Our clients would have lost the 72 million naira and spent years in court. And I can tell you for a fact that you will not win that case against the legal owner, because you can't win a case against the rightful owner. This proves that proceeding would have exposed our client to a catastrophic financial risk of 72 million naira. If you think an ordinary search is enough, you're gambling with your capital. You need an award-winning process. You need our tested and trusted best-selling legal due diligence process to ensure that your capital is safe. We have a 5-step award-winning framework that we apply to all due diligence processes that we undertake for our clients. Can your current deal pass our test? If you're ready to acquire your next real estate and you want to be sure that there is no fatal legal flaw with the property that you want to buy, or you have bought the property already but you just want to be sure because it's better to be safe than sorry, can engage us for our due diligence process. First step is to book a strategic legal advisory session where we can look at all the details that you have, and then we can advise to proceed or not. Book a strategic legal advisory session which is virtual using the link in the description below, and we will see you in the session.